To my left over here, we bought a new fireplace, and so we're going to be putting that in the corner. This fireplace will be coming out. It's quite rotten, so that can't stay. We're just going to fill in this wall over here, and that's where our couch will be going. To my right over here, we're going to be taking out half of this wall. We're very family based and we like entertaining, so we plan to cut this wall in half and have kind of like a bar area with bar stools facing into the kitchen, so that we can communicate with people in the living room. And yeah, I think that's it. Follow me to the bathroom. So this is we only have one bathroom in this house as of now. We're hoping that we can put in another one. For the most part, this bathroom will be staying the same. Obviously getting a new tub. I tried to convince Ray that we want to keep the pink one, but it's a no-go. So, and then we'll probably be taking this out just so we can have more room in the bathroom. And if you follow me to my right, this is where our office is going to be. Ray and I are hoping to be teaching music out of here. It's a perfect little space for that. And this room doesn't need much done with it. We might redo the floor and put a new coat of paint. But for the most part, that is good. And if you follow me over here, through this door is the kitchen area. It's a really good sized kitchen, which we love. We bought new cupboards to put in here, and I'm hoping that I can take some of these ones and use them in our laundry room. And in here, what we plan to do is take out this wall, and the room in there, which I'll show you, is going to be our dining room. So again, it just opens up this smaller house and makes it feel bigger and more spacious, which will be nice, better for entertaining. I'll just quickly show you through here. Is our mud room, where we're going to have storage for coats and shoes and everything like that. It'll be great for the dog when it's wet. And what we're going to do here in this doorway is put a Dutch door so that it comes, we can just close half of it off and it'll let some of the heat through here when the dog's wet or something and needs to be locked in here. And then if you follow me through here, this is going to be our dining room. So it's a really nice size, and again, once we open up that wall, it'll just make it more open. And then over here, we have what we're planning on making our laundry room. It's a nice little space, and then that way, as you saw, the laundry and dryer were in the other room, but it'll just give us more storage in there, and then have our laundry completely separate. And there is a little closet to my left, which we're probably going to use as a pantry. And if you follow me upstairs, it's pretty dark up here, but you'll get a gist. So as you can see, it's really small up here. What we're planning on doing is getting a new roof truss system so that I can make it a little bit bigger up here. Make it bigger, give us a couple more bedrooms for us and the future children. That was our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're really looking forward to getting going on renos and getting it so that we can live in it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and comment down below. And we will be doing a lot of videos on renos, kind of weekly vlogs, so we can document the process. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you guys later.